Hi, welcome to the fascinating world robotics. Have you heard of robots? Yeah, you are right. Robots are the machines that work on human command. How nice to see a machine works with your voice command. But, how to make it? Who will teach? Of course, in some school teaches this. So, what are you going to do this summer?
Here are some robots for children. You also can do this and achieve with a proper guide. If you are serious in building your own robot, then this is basic startup course for you. You may be of 11 plus years, you should have strong willpower, eagerness to learn, and in addition skill, thinking, caliber and devotion. Do you have? Then dive in. Now, you have a look into the robots created in India. Robots will have its own name. You also can set your name. Nice, isn't it? Now, let's see what are you going to learn this summer. You will get a kit of all the required materials. At first, let's construct a line following robot. This robot is basic movement for all the robots. These robots follow a drawn line. Have a fun when it follows the line. You can change the course of the line. It can be a square, rectangle, circle, or zigzag. Just change the route by pasting the tape given in the kit. Wow! What a fun!
Now let's see what is there in the kit. Red board. Here we do all types of components connection. A switch is used to control the current. You know about the LED bulb. A resistor is used along with any LED. B or motors are used to run a robot. You get to numbers. Jumpers are nothing but the connecting wires. You have some tapes, a water pump, battery holder and IR sensors. You will learn in detail later. Also there in the kit is relay driver module and motor driver module boards. The main heart of the robot is microcontroller. You should handle this very carefully, just like how you handle your heart. In addition to this, you have some board cutouts for line following robot and the basic robot. For level 2, you get some more materials you can clarify while joining.